After training, naghintay lang ako ng mga ilang weeks kasi di ko ginaw agad nung pagkatapos ng training and pagkatapos ng mga demo ko. Nag-wait pa lang ako ng mga days para maging ready ako. So, parang nasa sa inyo naman yan kung after nung demo tapos pumasa kayo agad. So, yeah. And because of those din naman na mga parang ano lang, parang just to give you insight on what you're going to expect here sa training. You'll have demos then, and those demos will help you a lot or will make you improve a lot, especially in teaching. Currently, I nakapag-start na ako ng class. Yung mga makukuha nyo with this training will give you or help you a lot, especially inside na talaga nung pagtuturo nyo, which is yun yung nakapag-give ng parang boost sa akin when it comes to like teaching kids or even adults din yun. And also Miss Ram and Miss A, tutulungan talaga kayo niyan. Even ngayon nga kahit meron akong mga tanong, for example pag merong mga textbook ganito ganyan, hindi ko alam, so sila yung parang nanay na pinupuntahan ko. They are really helpful, guys. So don't worry about everything. They got you. The Core Connect service got you. And yeah, good luck sa inyong journey here. And siguro welcome to Core Connect services. And see you guys on the field.